My name is Linda. Welcome to Quick and Easy Meals for Busy People. Thank you for your support. First off, I want to do my disclaimer. All products mentioned and used do not have a sponsor. It's just products that I like. If you have a favorite brand, use your favorite brand. On to the video. Welcome to my channel. I am doing my Easter edition. I will be doing individual, no bake cheesecake. You will need milk, vanilla wafers, strawberry pie filling, and the cheesecake no bake mix. Before I mix up the mix, I'm going to foil line the baking pan, which is my cupcake pan. So I got the nice fancy ones because I'm making it for Easter. This is going to be individual cheesecakes. So all you got to do is put these in here. The next step will be putting the vanilla wafers in. I discovered not all the vanilla wafers are the same size. Normally when we're eating cookies, we don't care. We'll even eat the crumbs. But for today, I want to make sure I get the biggest cookies in the bottom. So I went through the box and I replaced the smaller ones with the bigger ones. Now I can mix up the mix. The mix comes with the filling and the crumb mix. I'm not going to waste the crumb mix. I'm going to save it for a different no-bake pie. I'm not wasting it. I'm going to put it in a cupboard. Now as far as eating the crumbs from the cookie, I do eat the crumbs. I will even eat the crumbs from potato chip. But I don't tip the bag like most people. I actually put it in my hand and eat it out of my hand. It's more posh. Now on to the mix. Add the mix to the bowl. Now we're going to have to measure 1.5 cups of milk. We're just following the instructions on the box. So I'll get out my milk now. That's 1 cup going in. Now I'll be measuring 1/2 cup. Yeah, you don't want to get too much milk in here because then it might screw it up. So that's 1/2 cup going in. Now I'll mix it. Now we're going to mix the mix. It's 30 seconds on low speed. I'll do that first. I'm going to mix the mix. It's 30 seconds on low, then it'll be 3 minutes on medium speed. So here goes. While I'm being a mix master, here's some more vacation pics. This is from Virginia, Natural Bridge area. It was so pretty in the springtime. That's how thick it got. Now I'm going to be putting that into my little cupcake papers. Now I get the cupcake papers over here. And all you're going to do is start filling them. And you can see it got thick. Let me get spatula, because we might not need all that in there. Come on. It got real thick. And I just smush it down. We smush it down. See how thick it got? It got really thick. And then we'll put strawberry pie filling on top of it. So you're going to just do a little bit. See how thick? Now I'll be back after I get this done. That is what it looks like if you want plain ones, but I don't want plain ones. I'm putting some strawberry on top. Make sure you save a little room so you can top it with some strawberries. I love strawberries. You probably can tell by all my desserts are like strawberry related. Most of them are. The majority are. And I'll be back after this is done. What it looks like before they set up. So I'm going to put it in the fridge and let them set up. This is what they look like when they're done. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like my content, please like my videos. Thank you.